So I'm out here with Lori and the kids and a friend. This is one of our favorite locations near home, schoolyard, and you can see there's some machinery, all sorts of stuff out here. And they're digging and they're disturbing a lot of the soil. You can see here how deep it's going. It's just gone down there. So I don't know, I think I want to swing or get more depth now. See what I can do. See if I can get something out of here. So I came here where on this side of the roadbed where they've gone down quite a bit and squished things down and compact stuff up. It was hard to dig though. There's my first signal and I nicked it when I dug. Not sure. I think it's a 70s or 50, a 57. It's a 57. So, just pull this out. It looks like brass, I think, but
where is it?
Is the camera? It's over.
It was a camera. Sorry. Is it really that itty bitty piece?
I left a piece in there.
And that's what that was? Just lost it. It's showing really deep.
Yeah, pretty deep. It's a deep signal right in the bottom. Touching something there. It's rock. It's like big. Breaking chunks off.
I see it's a brassy color. It's like a brassy color. So the tractors have created all these little lower gullies and stuff. They've pushed stuff around and pushed stuff down deeper or up closer. I'm not sure yet. Oh, I hope they don't add fill to fix all this after. I hope they leave it the original or just scrape and level. They'd level it off, it'd be great.
They're so strong.
I was really hoping that you'd find something by now. Your hour is almost up. Then we gotta go put the chickens away. Closer. Even closer. It's getting closer. Ooh, crunch, crunch. Ugh. The sun's going down. So he says this one's a nicer one. He's working hard.
It's hot.
Oh. Oh, it's green penny.
Young Elizabeth.
1962. A really awesome sky behind you.
Yeah? Oh, it's a coin.
Okay.
I'll let you check that. Young Elizabeth again.
Definitely young Liz. And it is a 1960 something.
What?
1960 something. It's pretty really crusty. I can see the 6, but ooh. So we didn't find that much, but we had an hour, so we'll be back. We'll continue this on a next hunt.